This is a brief tutorial on how to triple tap. Triple tapping is a technique used to neutralize emotions and erroneous beliefs. Identify an unwanted emotion or belief. Focus on your feeling centers, which is your chest or stomach or both, and follow the tapping sequence. Beginning of eyebrow. Tap, same. Tap, every other. Tap, hold. Side of eye. Tap, same. Every other. Hold. Under eye. Same. Every other. Hold. Under nose and crease of chin. Same. Every other. Hold. Collarbone. Same. Every other. Hold. Then return to eyebrow point and continue with the subsequent points. In future reality shifter videos, the tap points will be highlighted and you will be instructed by the words, same, every other, hold, so you can easily follow along.